thinner than a human hair, yet strong enough to survive a direct impact. Welcome to the invisible shield of the modern world. From molten sand to microscopic precision, this is the extreme engineering behind the glass in your pocket. Get ready to go inside the most advanced glass forge on Earth. Let's break it down.
This is the front line of human health. Stay tuned and subscribe for the full breakdown.
The secret to unbreakable glass isn't plastic. It's a precise chemical cocktail known as aluminosilicate. At 1600 degrees Celsius, the raw minerals surrender their physical state, transforming into a flawless, glowing liquid. This is the fusion draw. The molten glass overflows and rejoins at the bottom, creating a sheet where the outer surfaces have never touched a machine. Because the glass cools suspended in mid-air, it requires zero polishing. The surface is atomically perfect straight out of the fire. A continuous sheet is useless. Lasers score the glass on the fly, breaking it down into massive mother sheets. These flawless mother sheets are beautiful, but right now, they are fragile. It's time to make them bulletproof.
This is where the magic happens. The glass is about to undergo a violent chemical transformation at the molecular level.
Submerged in boiling potassium salt, the glass is subjected to an invisible process called ion exchange. Small sodium ions leave the glass, and larger potassium ions stuff themselves into the gaps. This creates a state of deep compressive stress, an armor of tension. Emerging from the bath, the glass is now fundamentally changed. It is packed so tightly at the microscopic level that cracks cannot easily form or propagate. Under polarized light, the invisible armor reveals itself. The deep compressive stress is verified, and the master sheet is ready to be carved. Standard blades would shatter this glass. We use ultra-fast lasers that vaporize the material at a molecular level before heat can even spread. Every millimeter is precious. The layout is calculated by AI to ensure that waste is kept to an absolute minimum. The edges are the most vulnerable part of a screen. Diamond grinding removes microscopic stress points, making the rim as tough as the surface. Laser drilling the camera hole is a feat of physics. The edges of the hole must be perfectly smooth to prevent the glass from cracking under pressure. Chemical polishing is the final touch, removing surface imperfections that the human eye can't even see. Before we add the electronics, the glass must be perfect. At this stage, a single speck of dust means the part is rejected. We apply a layer of indium tin oxide so thin it's measured in atoms. This invisible coating turns the glass into a massive electrical sensor. Using the same technology used to make computer chips, we etch millions of touch-sensitive points onto the surface. The OLED panel is the heart of the display. It's a sandwich of organic compounds that glow when electricity passes through them. Vacuum lamination prevents air bubbles. If a single microscopic bubble remains, the entire display is scrapped. The connection point is thinner than a needle. This flexible tail carries all the data from your finger to the phone's brain. Born in fire and finished in a vacuum, the modern smartphone screen is now alive. Before the final finish, we use plasma, the fourth state of matter, to scrub the glass surface perfectly clean. Nano layers of metal oxides are applied to cancel out light reflections, ensuring your screen stays clear even at high noon. The oleophobic coating is a fingerprint's worst enemy. It creates a surface so slippery that oils and dirt simply can't stick. High-intensity UV light locks the molecules in place, ensuring the coatings won't wear off after just a few months of swiping. Every square millimeter of the touch grid is tested. We simulate years of scrolling and gaming in just a few seconds. Color calibration is the final hurdle. If the colors aren't 100% accurate, the screen is sent back for recalibration. Impact resistance is non-negotiable. Every batch undergoes a lethal drop test to ensure the chemical tempering has created a true shield. Flexibility is the mark of high-quality aluminosilicate glass. It must be able to bend without shattering to survive the pockets of millions. We simulate years of contact with keys, coins, and sand in just minutes. Our nano coatings are designed to be harder than metal. From Arctic winters to tropical humidity, the screen's internal layers are sealed in a vacuum to prevent any internal corrosion. Out of millions of pixels, not a single one can be dark. Total perfection is the only passing grade. Protected and perfected, these displays are now ready to become the window to your digital world. To achieve an IP68 waterproof rating, the bond between the screen and the frame must be microscopic and gap-free. Robots with touch sensors can feel the resistance of the adhesive, ensuring the screen is seated with exactly 5 newtons of pressure. The autoclave is the final forge. High pressure forces the adhesive into every microscopic pore of the glass and metal. This connection is where the data flows. Thousands of microscopic gold balls inside the adhesive create a bridge for every touch and pixel. We don't just test if it works, we test if it's fast. We measure the latency to ensure your swipe is followed by the pixels in less than 10 milliseconds. With the screen and body now as one, the device moves to the final stage, the aesthetic finish and global dispatch. Precision finishing ensures the hand feel is perfect. The transition from glass to metal is polished until it feels like a single, seamless object. Even the logos are a feat of engineering, applied with microscopic precision and cured instantly to ensure they never fade or peel. We measure the fingerprint-resistant coating at the atomic level. Uniformity is key to that signature premium feel. The final protective layer is applied in a Class 10 cleanroom, an environment 10,000 times cleaner than the air outside. Every gram counts. A weight variance of even 1% could indicate a missing screw or a misaligned screen.
Traceability is absolute. Every screen is tracked from the moment it was a liquid in the furnace to the moment it reaches your hand.
Color accuracy is a science. We ensure that the red you see on your screen is the exact wavelength intended by the creator.
Your body carries static electricity. Our screens are hardened with invisible grounding layers to survive the biggest shocks. The screen-to-frame bond isn't just for looks, it's a structural seal that makes the modern smartphone virtually waterproof. Sunlight can destroy adhesives and organic pixels. We test for UV aging to ensure your screen stays crystal clear for the life of the device. Pockets are high-stress environments. Torsion testing ensures the screen can handle the pressure of being sat on without failing. The final check is the hardest. Only after passing these 500 points of data is the screen cleared for the world. Precision doesn't stop at the product. The unboxing experience is engineered to the millimeter, protecting the screen until it reaches your hands. A final hermetic seal protects the packaging from moisture and dust during its journey across oceans and continents.
In this dark, automated fortress, thousands of devices wait for the final command to ship to every corner of the globe.
From a grain of sand to the window of your digital life, the journey is finally complete.
This is the art of the impossible. This is how we build the future, one pixel at a time.